Let me say it plain. If you're not using AI in your business, you're already behind. Not next year, not someday, now. Because in 2025, AI isn't just a trend, it's the new employee, the new strategy, and the new money. And businesses who get it, they're winning. Everyone else, they're watching it all slip away. I went from barely making 2K a month to hitting 20 consistently, all because I let AI do 80% of the work for me. This is not just Kindle Talk, and today we're diving deeper than we ever have. This isn't about hype, this is survival. This is the raw, unfiltered truth about how AI is flipping the business world on its head and how to make sure your hustle doesn't get left behind. So let's talk facts. In 2025, AI is running businesses, literally, from one person side hustles to full scale brands. People are cutting costs, growing faster, and building smarter because of a simple truth. AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't get tired, it doesn't make excuses, and it can scale. If you're still doing everything manually, like your emails, your content, your customer support, even your ideas, you're already 10 steps behind someone who isn't. So here's what's happening right now. For instance, candle business owners are using ChatGPT to write product descriptions, emails, and even creating scent storylines. And those virtual assistants, they're replaced by AI bots that can handle your DMs 24/7. And the content creators, they're using AI to schedule, design, caption, and repurpose in minutes, not days. Also, the Etsy sellers, they're generating SEO optimized product listings using AI tools. And coaches, they're training AI to be many versions of themselves by answering FAQs and helping clients at scale. So let me break it down. This isn't about having a 10-person team anymore. It's about building a smart team. And AI is your first hire. So over 60% of entrepreneurs in 2025 say that AI impacted their revenue and have said it saved their business from failing. And this isn't just tech bros in Silicon Valley. This is you, the single mom with a dream, the side hustlers tired of the 9 to 5, the burnt out business owner with a pile of to-dos and no backup. So let me ask you this. Are you going to adapt or are you going to get left behind? All right. So everybody loves a good story, right? So let's get real. Everybody loves a good success story, correct? But behind every one of those viral AI posts is a choice: adapt or die. So let me tell you about this guy I met. His name is Marcus. He has a t-shirt brand, and he was running ads the old school way. He was spending the money, doing the guesswork, just getting burnt out, right? Then he discovered AI ad copy generators. In one weekend, he tested 15 variations of headlines, images, and targeting using AI. That following Monday when we talk, his conversion rate tripled. Okay. Now he's running a 5-figure a month brand, no team, no agency, just him and a stack of smart tools. I also talked to a young lady named Janelle. She's a candle maker out in Atlanta, running booths at pop-ups, doing everything herself, right? She was tired, about ready to quit, but she found an AI-powered email campaign and chatbot. Now, her website has a 24/7 chatbot that answers questions, it upsells, bundles, and books restocks. She's making money in her sleep, literally. This is a quote from Janelle. I thought tech wasn't for me. Turns out it saved me from quitting the thing I loved. That's awesome, right? But not everyone is winning. I also talked to Derek, and he was very candid. He ran a creative agency, and he didn't want to deal with AI. He didn't want to learn AI. Said it was just a fad. It just, and but he did have a couple of his clients that left him to go with a company that delivered faster, cheaper, and better. And they were using the AI tools, of course. Last I heard, his business slowed down, and I'm not sure if he's still in business to this day. But this is the brutal truth. AI isn't here to help you later. It's here to replace what you refuse to evolve around now. Okay, it's like the blockbuster watching Netflix happen in real time and doing nothing about it. You're either the one adapting or the one explaining why you didn't. So up next, I'm giving you the real playbook. Okay, no theory, no fluff, step by step, how to AI proof your hustle. So let's build your future, all right, and not bury your dreams, all right. So let's talk power, because you can win in this AI driven world, and you don't need to be a tech genius to do it. All right, you don't. So here's a step by step playbook to AI proof your hustle. Okay. So first, ask yourself, what tasks are draining your time, but don't need you to do them? Is it emails, social posts, replies? Is it the product descriptions? Is it the client follow-ups? If you are repeating it more than twice, it can be automated or AI assisted. Okay? You don't need 20 tools. You need the right 3. Okay, so we're gonna start with this power trio. You got your Chat GPT. That will help you with writing ideas. It can help you with customer replies, captions, even email sequences. Okay, you got your Canva AI. You know that creates templates, designs, and quick visuals for promos. You also have your Notion AI. This is to help with business planning, your content calendar, and system building. So, with those 3, use them for 30 days. Every single day, you'll cut your workload in half and double your output. Okay. So just automate in one area. Choose one. It could be your email marketing. It could be your social media posts or your customer service. With the customer service, you can add the AI chatbot to your website. You can let AI do your social media post hashtags and images and image ideas. And with your emailing, you can have AI write and schedule your email campaigns for you. Okay. Okay. This one can save you 10 hours a week. Okay. If you use the deadly trio, the powerful trio I just gave you. So this right here is next level though. Okay. A mini ebook generated and outlined by AI. Okay. An AI written digital guide, journal, or planner, or an AI powered coaching quiz or onboarding system if you had those employees. Even you can create a how-to course on how you use AI in your business. So just start small, but sell smart. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to test it out, you want to twerk it, and you want to repeat it. Okay. So don't get stuck in perfection. Just test it, tweak it, let AI help you learn faster. Okay. The goal isn't to look busy. It's actually to move smarter. Okay. I'll repeat that one. The goal isn't to look busy. It's to move smarter. Every one of us has the same 24 hours, but now we have AI. And that means some people are doing what some people are doing in 1 hour, and what it used to take for 10, they're doing it in 1 hour. Okay. So the real question is, what are you going to do with the extra 9 hours? That's the real question. All right. So if everything we've talked about so far feels big, buckle up. All right. Because we're not even in the final form of this AI wave. We're in beta. And what's coming next, it's not just going to change your business, it's going to change you. Okay? You got to get used to the change when you're in business for yourself, okay? And doing that hustle work. So here's a glimpse of what's ahead and how to stay ahead of it. Okay? You got your AI agent that will replace virtual teams. Think about beyond simple tools. An AI agent, they are multitasking bots that can manage your whole calendar, launch your products, run your ads, and even negotiate deals. Imagine that. You'll train them once. They can learn your voice, your values, and your business style. Okay? That's an AI agent. Imagine having a second you running operations 24/7. Okay? Then you have your voice-driven brands. They will take over with tools like 11 Labs. You'll be able to create podcasts like this one, do explainer videos, training content, all using a clone version of yourself or an AI generated avatar. No cameras, no studio, just scale. That's all you have to worry about is just scaling, right? Also, you won't just sell more, you'll sell smarter. What about the wearables? Okay, the AI wearables. We're talking about the smart glasses, the rings, the earbuds that can give you live feedback, real-time data, and even customer insights as you speak. This isn't the future. Okay, Apple's doing it now. Amazon is testing it. In the small business world, you better believe it's next. Okay, with the Web3 and decentralized AI tools merging, soon you'll be able to build a team, launch a brand, and make money without touching a bank, an office, or having employees. So let's think global, automated, and always on. So how do you win in this new world? Let me just tell you. You stay curious, you stay flexible, and you don't wait for permission to pivot. You don't need to go viral. You just need to go forward. All right. If everything we've talked about so far feels big and something you can adapt to, these are things that's happening now and you implement them, like I said, for 30 days, every day. And if you can have those changes and you see those changes, you're on the right path. All right. For sure. So here's the truth nobody wants to talk about. AI won't make you successful, but it will expose every excuse you've been hiding behind. Can't keep up? There's a tool for that. Don't have time? You can do it now. Overwhelmed? You're not alone, but you don't have to stay stuck, okay? Because the gap isn't between you and the rich entrepreneurs. That's not what it's about. It's between the ones who are adapting and the ones who are resisting. That's where we're at with it now, okay? So I'll leave you with this. This one quote. You can write it on a mirror, keep it on a sticky note on your fridge. The future won't wait for your comfort zone, but it will reward your evolution. You don't need 1 million followers. You don't need 1 million decisions to keep showing up smarter. Start now. Start messy. Start automated. Just start. So if this episode lit a fire under you, can you please do a favor for me and share it? Tag someone who needs to hear this wake-up call And if you're ready to get your time, energy, and revenue back, I will upload this checklist of 10 AI tools that'll run your business while you sleep. You can grab it at www.notjustcandletalkme, and I'll put the link in the show notes. So this is the future. And if you're either building it or getting buried by it, you're not alone. Just remember that. So I just wanted to touch on this episode because, like I said, this is it, right? We're in it, right? And we have to adapt, and we have to move forward, and we have to move smart with all the smart tools that's out. Okay, so I just want to do an episode like this, attach this to another episode I did about AI before, and I'm gonna keep going with this. I'm gonna do several of these episodes and try to be as informative as I can. So, like again, if you like this episode and the one I did before on AI, please follow me. Share it with someone who is a little neglectful, not neglectful, but a little resistant to adapting. And, just let them hear the information because I'm going to do another one of these, like I said. So thanks for listening as always, and I will see you on the next episode. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, everyone. This is JJ, the co-founder of Good Pods. If you haven't heard of it yet, Good Pods is like Goodreads or Instagram, but for podcasts. It's new, it's social, it's different, and it's growing really fast. There are more than 2 million podcasts, and we know that it is impossible to figure out what to listen to. On Good Pods, you follow your friends and podcasters to see what they like. That is the #1 way to discover new shows and episodes. You can find Good Pods on the web or download the app. Happy listening.